Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Terrain. In this session we are going to look at question number 14b. Here it is the statement. Solve the equations graphically. 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 4x minus 3y equals to 5. Here we are given two linear equations. We have to solve them graphically, which means we have to find the common solution for both of these linear equations. Clear? Which means the x value and y value. Clear? To draw graph of these two linear equations, we need some points, and prior to that you need to understand a linear equation always represents a straight line. So this linear equation represents a straight line, this represents another straight line, and where these two linear equations meet, that meeting point is the solution of these two linear equations. Okay, let us consider first linear equation. So that is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. So we'll need to find x value and y value, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. And we know that to draw a straight line we need minimum 2 points. Let's find those 2 points. So let x is equals to 2, 3 2s are 6, and to get 10, so what must be the y value? Y is 1. Next, let x is equals to negative 2 for example, then negative 2 into 3, negative 6, then what must be y value? Y value 4, because 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 6 will get 10. So here we got ordered pair 2 comma 1, another ordered pair negative 2 comma 4. Now we'll consider second linear equation, that is 4x minus 3y is equals to 5. Here also we'll find x value and y value. So let x is equals to 2, 2 4s are 8, then what must be y value to get 5? Y must be 1, 3 1s are 3, 8 minus 3 will get 5. Let x is equals to negative 1, then what must be y value? Y it should be positive, so let us take negative 3, negative 3 into negative 3, positive 9, positive 9 and negative 4 will get 5, so y value negative 3. So here the ordered pairs are 2 comma 1 and another point negative 1 comma negative 3. Now we'll take a graph. Okay, here it is our graph. Now let's plot these points on the graph. So before plotting we need some sufficient scale. Here the x values and y values varying very minimum, so that is positive 2 to negative 2, and here 1 to 4, here 2 to negative 1, here 1 to negative 3. So here the sufficient scale is scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equals to, will take 1 unit, on y axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This is sufficient. So let's plot 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 negative 4 negative 5 and so on. This is origin 0 0 0, this is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 negative 4 negative 5 and so on. Now we'll plot the points of first equation 2 comma 1. So on x axis 2, y axis 1, these two are meeting here. Then negative 2 comma 4, on x axis negative 2 and y axis 4, these two are meeting here. This is the point. Now let's join them. Okay, this is the, on joining these two we'll get a straight line. Now on plotting second points, here is the first point 2 comma 1, so 2 comma 1, here it is the same point, and the second point negative 1 comma negative 3. here is a -1 and here it is -3. It will be somewhere here. So on joining these 2 points, on joining these 2 straight lines, these 2 are meeting at somewhere here. This is the point 2, 1. Therefore, the solution of these 2 linear equations is 2, 1. Therefore, the solution of the given equations is equals to 2, 1. Clear? So this way you have to find solution of any pair of linear equations graphically. This is it.